Hi everyone, I am Avdesh God. In this video, we will be exploring more about the level of detail expression, specifically the include LOD. Well, let's get started. The include level of detail expression is used to calculate the aggregate at a lower level of detail first and then aggregate it back to the current level of detail in the view. To understand more about it, let us bring the category field onto the row shelf. We will also bring the sum of profits onto the column shelf. Let us turn on the labels as well. Let us build one more sheet and put the average of profits out there in the text marks card. The overall average profit of all the orders comes out to be nearly 29%. But what if we want to calculate the average of profits by subcategory? That is, first of all, we want to take the sum of profits at a category level and then take the average of these three values. We can easily do that by using the include LOD function. This will enable us to calculate the sum of profit at a category level, that is, at a lower level of detail, and then take the average of these three profits for each category. Let us build a quick table calculation for the same. If we select the aggregate from the top right, we can find the include LOD function under the same. The include level of detail function takes up the similar set of arguments when compared to the fixed level of detail expression. Let us write the calculation for the requirement that we have. We will start off with a curly brace and then we'll use the include keyword. Thereafter, we will specify the level of detail at which we want to calculate the sum of profits, that is, at a category level. Finally, after the colon, we will specify the aggregation, that is, the sum of profits. Now, once the sum of profits is calculated at the category level, we want to take the average of these three values. So, we will wrap the entire calculation in the average function. Our calculation is valid. Let us hit OK and save this. Let us bring this value into the text marks card of sheet 2 as well. We are getting the value as 95466 over here. If we go to sheet 1, we can verify this value by taking the average of the sum of profits at the category level. That is, by summing up these three values and dividing it by 3. This is how the include level of detail can be utilized to aggregate in two steps. That is, the first aggregation at a lower level and the final aggregation to reach the level of detail in the view. In the next video, we will understand about the exclude level of detail expressions.